Hello everyone, welcome to today's topic. List of topics we are going to cover this week are general turning operations, tool post, knurling, taper. Let's see our first topic, general turning operations. Objectives of this topic is: at the end of this topic you shall be able to define plane turning, distinguish between the two stages of plane turning, define step turning, state what is grooving, name the types of grooves, state the specific uses of each type of groove, shape of tools for the above operations. Let's see what is plane turning, otherwise called as parallel turning or straight turning. This operation involves removal of metal from the work, and it has a cylinder for the full travel of the tool on the work, keeping the same diameter throughout the length. Plane turning is done in two stages, that is, rough turning and finish turning. Let's see about rough turning. By rough turning, the maximum amount of material is removed, and the job is brought close to the required size, leaving sufficient metal for finishing. Surface finish and accuracy are not good. While rough turning, the spindle speed is less and the feed is more. Here a roughing tool or a knife tool is used. While plane turning for roughing or finishing, long jobs are held between centers. It is necessary to change the ends to obtain a true parallel surface throughout the length. Let's see about finish turning. It is done after the rough turning is completed, to bring the size of the work to the required accuracy and good surface finish by removing the rough marks produced by the rough turning. For finish turning, the speed is higher, 1 to 2 times more than for rough turning, and the feed is very less. A round nose finish turning tool or a knife, with a larger nose radius than normal, is used for finish turning. Let's see about step turning process. It is an operation of producing various steps of different diameters in the workpiece as shown in figure. This operation is carried out in the similar way as plane turning. Let's see about grooving. Grooving is the process of turning a grooved form or channel on a cylindrically turned workpiece. The shape of the cutting tool and the depth to which it is fed determine the shape of the groove. Let's see about the types of grooves. Square grooves. Square grooves are frequently cut at the end of a section, to be threaded in order to provide a channel into which a threading tool may run. A square groove cut against a shoulder allows a matching part to fit squarely against the shoulder. When a diameter is to be finished to size by grinding, a groove is generally cut against the shoulder to provide clearance for the grinding wheel and to ensure a square corner. Square grooves are cut with a tool bit, ground to the width of the square groove to be formed. A square groove also serves the purpose of providing space for forks of shift levers in sliding gear assemblies. Let's see about round groove. Round grooves serve the same purpose as square grooves. They are generally used on parts subjected to stress. The round groove eliminates the sharpness of the square corners and strengthens the part at the point where it tends to fracture. A tool bit with a round nose, ground to the required radius, is used to cut round grooves. V-shaped groove. V-shaped grooves are most commonly found on pulleys driven by V-belts. The V-shaped groove eliminates much of the slip which occurs in the other forms of the belt drive. A V-groove may also be cut at the end of a thread, to provide a channel into which the threading tool may run. A tool bit ground to the desired angle is used to cut a shallow V-groove. Larger V-grooves such as those found on pulleys should be cut with the lathe compound rest to form each phase of the groove individually. Next we are going to see about the topic tool post. Let's see the objectives of this topic. At the end of this topic you shall be able to name the commonly used types of tool posts. Compare the features of different types of tool posts. The tool post holds and firmly supports the tool, or tools. The tool post is fitted on the top slide. Let's see about the tool post types. The commonly used types of tool posts are American type tool post or single way tool post, indexing type tool post or square tool post, quick change tool post. Single way tool post. It consists of a circular tool post body and a pillar with a slot for accommodating the tool or tool holder, a ring base, a rocker arm, bolt piece, and a tool clamping screw complete the assembly of this type of tool post. The tool is positioned on the bolt piece and clamped. The center height of the tool tip can be adjusted with the help of the rocker arm and the ring base. Only one tool can be fixed in this type of tool post. The rigidity of the tool is less, as it is clamped with only one bolt. Let's see about indexing type tool post. It is also called as square tool post or a four-way tool post. 4 tools can be fixed in this type of tool posts, and any one can be brought into the operating position, and the square head is clamped with the help of the handle lever. By loosening the handle lever, the next tool can be indexed and brought into the operating position. The indexing is done manually. Let's see the advantages. Each tool is secured in the tool post by more than one bolt, and therefore, the rigidity is more. Frequent changing of the tool for different operations need not be done as all the 4 tools can be clamped at the same time. The disadvantage is that skill is required to set the tools, and it takes more time to set to the center height. Quick change tool post. Modern lathes are provided with this type of tool posts. Instead of changing the tools, the tool holder is changed in which the tool is fixed. This is expensive and requires a number of tool holders. But it can be set to the center height easily, and has the best rigidity for the tool. Let's test our knowledge gained from topic we came across till now. What is the name of the groove tool shown in the figure? Option A. V-shaped tool. Option B. Square-shaped tool. Option C. Round-shaped tool. Option D. Pentagon-shaped tool. Your time starts now. I think you are right. The correct answer is Option A. V-shaped tool. I think you have gained a plenty of knowledge from today's topic. In today's session we have covered general turning operations and tool post topics. And in our next session let's cover the remaining topics. For queries, visit www.nimelearningonline.in/Moodle. Thank you.